back, and today I got the Logitech Pro X. This is a nice mouse. We're gonna go over it, talk about what it can do. And I guess, you know, since you guys watched the last video, I'm sure you guys watched the last video. Thank you for supporting your boy. I guess I can do a comparison between this and the Orochi version 2. So we're gonna do an unboxing, talk about it, and then at the end, I'm gonna do a little bit of comparison between the two and talk about them both and have some fun with this. Throw up the threes for your boy. I got goals today, you got goals today. Let's get it started. Programmers worldwide. Here are some teams who use the Logitech or are sponsored by Logitech, I'm pretty sure. I don't know these teams, but so here's the back. Lightweight, 63 grams, Hero 25K, 0 filtering, 0 smoothing, 0 acceleration, 0 addictive PTFE. Keep playing. All right, so it's lightweight, Hero, power play, and super light. So technical specifications, lightweight wireless technology, onboard memory, click tension system, 0 addictive PTFE feet, 5 buttons, tracking, sensor Hero, resolution 100 to 25,000 DPI, max acceleration 40G, max speed 400 IPS, 0 smoothing and acceleration filtering. Responsiveness, USB, report rate, 100 Hertz. Microprocessor, 32-bit ARM. Oh, that's what's up. Weight, less than 63G. What's inside? Pro X super lightweight gaming mouse, Lightspeed wireless receiver, charging data cable, receiver extension adapter, cloth, optional aperture door with PTE foot, user documentation, what you need. You just need a USB port, Windows 8 or later, Mac OS 10.1 or later, internet access for optional software download. All right, next, so let's unbox it. Ooh. Ooh. It looks really nice how it's Saturday, and it looks nice. It looks big too, okay. Okay, so it has a little flash drive with the mini flash drive for the mouse. And it has a little port for compatibility. Logitech want to make sure you use their product. Like, no excuses. All right, so next it says play to win. Okay, so it comes with the cord. So it comes with a USB, and it also comes with a micro USB with this funny attachment attached to it. All right, and as we know, it comes with the cloth, stickers, this little rubber adhesive right here, and the guide. All right, so now here's the mouse itself. Ooh, nice smooth material. And on the side, it has the 2 buttons. It do feel really light. You got the 2 buttons on top, as you guys see. You got the wheel. It has the 2 buttons on the side. Got the Logitech logo right here on the bottom. It has the adhesive on it for that fast glide. So at the bottom right here, this is where you put the USB in at for the wireless capability, and you were able to turn this on if you want to use the wireless capabilities. And also right here, you got the LED, you got your infrared right here. Also inside, you got the USB port right here in case you want to go corded. Okay, go old school on y'all. All right, so here's a little bit of comparison between the two. When it comes to the material, hands down, you got it. Like, no questions asked. Hands down, you got to give it to the Orochi. When it comes to weight, I feel like this has less weight because this material makes it a little bit more heavier because of it. But it does make up with the speed and the DPI adjustments and how you want to customize it. Also, when it comes to the life, hands down, oh my gosh, hands down, you got to give it to the Orochi, coming in at 950 hours of battery life versus the 70 hours of battery life with this. But the positive that it makes up for the 70 hours of battery life, which is not bad, it's actually normal and standard, is that you have the feature to make it wired, which the Orochi doesn't. So, you know, that makes up for the wireless capability. So hand in hand, I mean, is there really a winner or loser between the two, honestly? I mean, if you want to go full wireless, here you go. If you want the wireless and the ability to be wired, which has more options, I mean, here you go. So the winner really depends on you. And yeah, I think they're both great mouses. I don't think there's a which one who does better than the other. I think they're both great. I would have to give it to the Orochi because, like I said, you have the extra buttons and a button on top. The Logitech, which looks like a standard mouse. I like this one because you have the life on top, and also you have the middle button right here with the roller. You know, it's just I like it better because it's a little bit more flashy. But besides that, end of the day, they're both great mouses. Yeah, there's not really one that's better than the other. Besides the price. The price will kind of tell you which one is better than the other. But besides that, they're both great products. They both can do the same thing, of course. And when it comes to lightweightness, they're both lightweight. They're both customizable. You can customize this down to the ground and on the inside, which is nice. And speaking of the inside, Orochi, you can break in the inside and add the batteries to it. And also you have the USB already ready inside. Versus the Logitech that doesn't. So when it comes down to it, the winner is pretty much your choice. So what I have to say about that is,
the power is yours.
Alright guys, this is the end of the video. What do you guys think between the Orochi and the Logitech? I think they're both great mouses. They're both lightweight, super light. As you see right here. As you see what it says super light. With the Orochi, it's very light too. Both light, both great products. I hope you like what you've seen in this video. Hope it helped you make a decision on which one you want to get. So with that being said, throw them threes up for your boy, and I'm out. I got goals today. You got goals today. Stay safe out there. Stay safe out there. Please.